Welcome to Fox 8 News Cleveland. This is Christopher and I am the newscast. We have a breaking news at this hour. 20 residents of Cleveland are expected to be missing and they were kidnapped by unknown person. The name was unknown at this time. They are expected to fall down into the ground and straight to unknown place. All residents are advised not to fall down into the ground and may actually straight to unknown place. The police is identify the unknown individual who's responsible for this. We have other news going on. Fruits are expected to be poisoned, and it changed to from various fruit colors into dark green. It's dangerous to all life in Cleveland. Do not eat fruits and it'll cause infection.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of Ohio State Police, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and Food and Drug Administration, at 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are many reports about the people have been died from the disease or missing and nowhere to be found. The people have been missing has straight to an unknown place. The place known as Backrooms Level 0. It is very vital not to fall down and you'll straight to backrooms. 5 minutes ago, the fruits has been contaminated with the virus and 15 people have died from the disease. The virus disease is unknown at this time. The symptoms are coughing, sneezing, diarrhea, muscle fatigue, fever, body temperature to 69 or higher, shortness of breath, slurred speech, blurred vision, sneezing blood, changing color from human skin to dark green, color blindness, headache, schizophrenia, red eyes, confusion, memory loss, amnesia, IQ changing from exact IQ to 0 IQ, and certainly death. If you go outside without any sort of protection, you will contract the disease. If you see someone or your loved one has experienced the symptoms, take them to the hospital or calling 911. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
Welcome to WBNS News, serving in Columbus area. This is Emma. We have some breaking news at this hour right now. 20 people from Cleveland had fall down on the ground. At this time, 5 people has also fallen to the ground in Columbus. We advise you not to fall to the ground, and may go to the unknown place. The kidnapper is unknown at this time. The unknown individual's name is unidentified. The unknown individual is not a human. It's unknown entity. We will continue.
Local area emergency. The following message has been transmitted by the request of Ohio State Police, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and Food and Drug Administration, at 2:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The virus disease is known as OLH22. The previous broadcast was mentioned earlier, about 15 minutes ago. The previous broadcast was from Cleveland. At this time, the virus disease is actually COVID-19's brother. At this time, any type of sort of fruits along with restaurants in Cleveland and Columbus has been contaminated. Do not eat all contaminated food that comes from restaurants and food stores, as you may face certain death. At this time, the virus disease is dangerous to all life in Ohio. All residents of Columbus are advised to stay home now. Do not go outside without any sort of protection, as you may get arrested or you will be shot when you were infected. You may have to wash your hands roughly 30 seconds, and using rubbing alcohol, so you don't want to shake in your hands, as you may have to social distance. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.